In this video, we need to create gym user in Jenkins, and then we need to give some permissions to that user. So click on Jenkins. Once you log in, you can go to manage Jenkins. So imagine you're working in a company, somebody joined in your team, so you need to give permissions to that new user. This is how you can do. Click on manage Jenkins, then go to users, create user. Username is Jim, right? And the password is this one. Create user. So once you create, go to dashboard, click on manage Jenkins, then go to security. You can look for authorization. So at the moment you can see only these things. So in order to get this project based matrix authorization strategy, you need to install a plugin. So this is how plugin enhances functionality. Click on available plugins and look for matrix authorization strategy, install it. Cut some error. Click on available plugins, look for matrix, seems installed. Okay, let's go back to manage Jenkins, click on security, and then now you can see project based matrix authorization strategy. Click on that. Now you need to give user gym permissions, add gym. I think it's overall read permission. Yeah, and then don't forget to add permissions to admin user, otherwise you'll be locked out. Admin, overall administer, okay, and then click on save, and then go to manage Jenkins, sorry, dashboard. Click on this job because we need to give permissions, read permissions to this user on this job. It's somewhere for existing job, grant gym user only read only permissions. Click on configure, enable project based security, and then add user gym, give him read permissions and save. And then you can see for this admin user you can see all of these options, right? Just log out, log in as. Now you don't see any other permission, just only read only permissions. That's how we can do. Now click on task results. It's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.